Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are cleaning the engine because it's a little bit dirty. I mean, years of grime and cack, and like just, it's full of gunk, especially at the back end of the diff. It's horrible. Just around the engine. Basically just get some cleaning done, because obviously I want to repaint it afterwards. So on this engine stand that I made, not too shabby. First fabrication project. Maybe I'll post a video of that sooner or later. Yeah, it's got some no-name brand engine degreaser, and I'm just gonna use a sanitizer, antibacterial thingy-mogojo to put that in, and then we're gonna spray it, and we're gonna get it nice and clean. But sure, COVID-19, boys. Yeah, stay safe. This shit be crazy. Nobody knows what's going on. Cool, whoopsie, I said that. It's crazy. It's absolutely cooked. But yeah, let's get this engine clean and see what's going on. So I've diluted some of that degreaser inside here with some water. I think about 2 parts to 1-ish, something like that. This is a litre and it's about 800 mils full. I think I put in 200 mils of the degreaser. But yeah, let's give it a bash. So we're going to spray it just on the side, mainly the diff, I think, over here. And yeah, roll V and see what's going on. Give it a spray and then let it sit, and tack it just now, and then spray it down with the high pressure hose. And let's see if this works. And then a quick one, you just mustn't forget to close all your holes. Not those ones. Things like the carb over here, and this is alright. You can cover it up if you really want to. And maybe the exhaust is, nice. Maybe it's the exhaust over here. And if you've taken off the inlet and outlet manifold, obviously just plug those up. Yeah, so just make sure you've covered everything so the water can't get into the engine, just to make your life a bit easier. So we've done 1 spray, or maybe like 2, and it's getting all the junk off. It's getting there. You can check there, but I mean, still a little bit of junk left now. But what I'm going to use, I'm actually going to spray it with the high pressure hose just to do a proper nice cleanse. But it's getting there. So engine's clean, I think, for now. I think this is the cleanest this engine has ever been in its entire life. It's crazy. I mean, there's a bit of grease here and there, but no, that's not even grease, that's just old paint. There's a bit of grease, but I can get that off. But damn, it's crazy clean. That is mad. I don't think it's ever been this clean. I'm so chuffed. Wow. And literally all I did was sprayed it, and then sprayed it with the Corona stuff, no I'm joking, with my degreaser over there, and let it sit, and then just attacked it with the pressure washer. Just don't pressure wash in places like stand right here and do it. Just do it from a bit of a distance, just so you can just be precautious about things.